How to manage multiple accounts and switch between profiles on the Threads app. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are using Threads and want to manage multiple accounts or switch between profiles, then it lets you add multiple accounts and quickly switch between them without logging out each time. First of all, open up the Threads application on your device and sign into your account. After you're signed into the home page of Threads, go ahead and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and once you're inside your profile, tap on your username at the top of your profile page, and if you've already added multiple accounts, you'll see them in the pop-up box. If you want to add another account, tap on Add Profile and enter your credentials for your profile. You can type down your username, email address, or mobile number and password of that profile to add it on your account. If you want to switch between the profiles, simply go ahead and select your another profile name and you'll be able to switch between multiple profiles easily. And that's it. You successfully added and switched between multiple accounts on Threads. You can repeat this step anytime to manage additional profiles and easily move between your personal, creator, or business account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.